Hello folks, we have a very exciting new arrival here at Thompson Leisure, and that is our Hymer Yellowstone camper van. What a beauty it is. So we're going to talk through the usual, just some of the features on the outside, and we'll hop on in and give you a preview of this vehicle. So as you can see from the exterior, we're finished off in a lovely metallic paint, and we've got the Hymer style package as well. So you've got your gloss black finish here, as well as your colour coded bumpers. The vehicle is 6.36 metres in length and it's 2.08 wide. And it also does come with your two-tone gloss black alloys, which ties in with the lovely colour scheme we've got going on here. So as well as this, the Hymer comes with the living comfort pack. So as part of this pack, you've got the panoramic sky view, which you can see externally, and we'll get a look at that whenever we go inside. We've got a 90-litre fuel tank with this one. It's 3.5 tonne. It can be driven on a standard driving licence. And then at the back, we have our reverse sensors and our reverse camera. So as you can see here, we've got an abundance of storage at the back. It's a real clever layout in the sense that whenever you're not using your bed, you can fold that up and that gives you the full width of the back of the van. Just beside that is all your little storage compartments. So if you open those up, you have nice deep cupboards there. And you've got an external shower point as well with access to hot and cold water. So over to this side, we have our barbecue point, and we'll get to the fun part. We'll take a look inside. So we're just taking a quick look into the driver's section of the vehicle. The seat that I'm sitting on, well, driver's and passenger seat, are both heated. We'll not need them on a day like this, thankfully. We've got our leather multifunctional steering wheel with your cruise control built in there. You've got your automatic windscreen wipers, your automatic lights, all for a seamless driving experience. Your handbrake is electric, and as well as this, we have our 10-inch V8 infotainment system. So you've got built-in sat nav in there with your DAB, all the usual gadgets, your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto. So this is our living quarters. So obviously your third and your fourth seat belts here. You've got a lovely part leather, part cloth upholstery finish. And what I do like is the fact it is so light and airy, as you can see. That sky view does make a big difference whenever it comes to that. Another feature that I like about this van specifically is the table. So that basically just, that chair's in the way. This basically just folds up like this. But you know yourself, sometimes the other tables can be a bit flimsy, so that is just a little handy setup there as well. This vehicle is only a 2-berth. We've got our fixed bed at the back. Just behind me is the Alphatronics smart TV. So this is the kitchen area, and as you can see, again, we've got heaps of storage. Your bins tucked away in the bottom cupboard, which is nice. And then you've got an additional 2 cupboards above that, so you're not short for storage. You have your 2 ring gas burner, and then beside that is your sink. And you've got a lovely finish there on the back of the kitchen. This is your control panel, so you can access basically everything in here. You can monitor your levels, your water, your fridge, your lights, and all the rest. It's all fully touchscreen, and it's part of the Hymer Connect system. So this is our bathroom area, and despite the van being 6.36 meters, I personally find this is a really good use of space with a very roller door. So whenever you're not obviously using the shower, that's your sink setup. Your toilet is just over to the corner, and then whenever you want to use the shower, all you have to do is press that wee button just as it's done, and this all slides across. Basically prevents everything from getting wet, and then that's your space for your shower. Which your sink is also, it's a 2-in-1, it's a sink and a shower. So the heating in this vehicle is diesel and electric, and this is our bed setup at the back. So as I was saying previously outside, this basically slides up out of the way, but whenever you want to use it for the bed setup, you just simply pull it down like that, and then your cushions will come across. Thanks for watching, folks. Hopefully that video was helpful. If you want to check out full details of this van, you can check it out on our website at thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, if you want to get in touch, give us a wee call on 028 92 69 399. Press 31 to sales.